Another way to have a picture-in-picture effect is to use a mask. Once again, we need to have 2 layers of video. To add a mask to your top layer, we're going to use, once again, the effects control. You're going to find the mask controls right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a simple circle. When I click on it, on my top layer, I have this circle appears. It's masking everything but what's inside the circle. If I want, I can invert that. It's like a hole in the top layer and I'm seeing to the bottom layer. And I can manipulate this like this. I can add multiple masks. As you can see, I have mask 1 and mask 2. And what I can do with these masks is I can also have all these parameters I can change. With the feathering, rather than having a hard edge, I have a soft edge. There's also the opacity. I can make the mask semi-transparent. And the mask expansion, what that does is it allows me to increase the size of the mask. All of these parameters that have a stopwatch beside them, you can add keyframes and animate them. Let's look at a couple ways that you can use the mask tool, either static or using keyframes to change certain parameters.
Luke, you do not yet realize your importance. You have only begun to discover your power. Join me. Luke, you do not yet realize your importance. You have only begun to discover your power. Join me. Luke, you do not yet realize your importance. You have only begun to discover your power. Join me, and I will complete your... Luke, you do not yet realize your importance. You have only begun to discover your power. Join me, and I will... Luke, you do not yet realize your importance. You have only begun to discover your power.